A woman calls a clinic and says she hasn't been able to sleep because her dog snores too loudly. The doctor told her to tie a ribbon around his balls and he will shoot up. The woman goes to her bedroom and sees her dog lying on the floor snoring. She gets a red ribbon and ties it around his balls. The dog stops snoring. The woman goes to sleep. After a while, her husband comes home drunk. He lays in bed and falls fast asleep. He starts to snore loudly, so the woman gets a blue ribbon and ties it around his balls. The next morning the woman gets up and goes to work. The man wakes up and sees the blue ribbon on his balls. Then he looks down at the dog and sees the red ribbon around his balls. The guy says to the dog, "I don't know what we did last night, but we got first and second place.